Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your storefront country on an iPhone. First, ensure you have spent any remaining balance on your Apple ID account. Any unspent funds will be lost. Next, you need to cancel all active subscriptions tied to your current country and wait for them to expire completely. Finally, gather a valid payment method and a matching billing address for your desired new country before you start this process. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap your name at the very top of the screen. Next, select the option labeled Media and Purchases, and from there, tap View Account. At this point, you may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password for security verification. This step ensures only you can make changes to your account. Once you are viewing your account details, tap on the country or region option. Proceed by selecting Change Country or Region, and then scroll through the extensive list to choose your new desired country. It is important to carefully read and then agree to the new set of terms and conditions for that specific region. Your billing address must also align with this selection. After agreeing to the terms, you must now provide a valid payment method and a corresponding billing address for your newly selected country. It is crucial that this address precisely matches. Otherwise, the change cannot be successfully finalized. Carefully review all of your entered information for accuracy, and then tap Next or Done to save these changes and complete the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.